Timmy, it's your boy Lil Timmy Tim. Yeah. What up, statistics class? I'm coming through live.
Hi guys. First of all, excuse my ugly face right now. I look disgusting. But I decided to do something really fun today. I am going to be transforming myself into the one, the only Timothée Chalamet. If you don't know, Timothée Chalamet is probably the world's most loved male right now in the moment. I low-key wish that I could marry him, but that's close to impossible. So I decided to turn myself into Timothée Chalamet today because I have seen this trend on TikTok where girls are like making themselves look like him because apparently it's like really easy. You just have to like chisel out your cheekbones. So I thought, let me put my makeup artist skills to work and turn myself into my crush and stare at myself in the mirror and just pretend that I'm him looking back at me. That's a little weird. I'm not gonna do that. Unless. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and maybe like if anyone has any connections to this man's, maybe you could like send this to him, because I feel like he would either think it was really creepy or find it entertaining. So Timothy, if you're watching, your hand in marriage, sir. Okay, let's get into this video and let's turn myself into a male for the day. Oh, also, I'm gonna be getting my roommate's reaction. I'm gonna go downstairs and like scare her, and she's gonna be freaked out because I'm really gonna like trick her into thinking that Timothy's in this house right now. So fingers crossed. So we have this picture that I'm gonna be basing it off of, so hopefully it's accurate. I'm just gonna set it right here so I can keep an eye while I'm doing my makeup and make sure I'm doing everything right. So first off, I'm gonna be starting off with a really light shade of foundation because he's pretty pale. My roommate and I watched Beautiful Boy last night for the first time. It was really good. I cried. This is so pale. Wow, I really thought I was getting tan until I remembered that this actually matches my neck. This is already a mess. Okay, whatever, that's fine. Okay, so we're looking pretty pale. Things are looking good so far. Now I'm just gonna set my face with a little bit of translucent powder. I'm not really worried about this setting because it's not like I'm going anywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the facial structure. So Timothy's face is very like caved in. I'll try to insert an image right here so you can see. It's very kind of caved in, especially around here, and he has a really strong jawline, like extremely strong jawline. And so I'm gonna try to replicate that by taking my Morphe palette, I forget which one this is, the 35O, and probably using a transition shade like this one, and just trying to like chisel out. I need to actually like look in here. I can't tell if this looks accurate. Okay, this is kind of working. So I think the jawline is pretty good. Okay, next I'm gonna be chiseling in the cheekbones. So I'm basically just going to like bring it like he has really high cheekbones. This man's cheekbones are popping. I'm trying to like, oh crap, I just messed it up. Next up is the nose. So he has a really thin nose. I'm just gonna try and like bring a line down to kind of contour a little bit. I'm gonna use a different brush. I'm gonna use this one so it's a little bit easier. I'm a little nervous. What do we think? Is it working? I don't know. Sorry. I just get really excited when I look at him because he's really attractive. Kind of stresses me out a little bit, but it's fine. That's pretty accurate, right? Anyways, okay, so his eyes are like downturned. I'm gonna like move on to the eyes. His eyes almost go like this in a way. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. He has really like, I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit like under here and kind of like bring it out a little bit. I am going to put a little bit of dark eyeshadow in here to kind of shade it a little bit, because he has that really hollowed out eye, so I really want to make sure I get that. This is a struggle. So for the eyebrows, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. Basically, he has really thick brows, so I'm just going to try to make my brows like really thick. And yeah, he has pretty straight brows, and they almost come into like a unibrow type thing, so I'm going to try to recreate that. Like, this is not it. Trying to get close enough so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Something about this looks really off. I can't figure out what it is. So basically I made my eyebrows like a little bit thicker. I feel like they look a little bit weird still. I can't figure out why. I think they look a little bit too dark, but that's okay. They look a little bit, they need to be more like this. That's what we need. That's what we need. Okay. I just figured it out. I cracked the code. This is really difficult. I'm not gonna lie. But I think that's like pretty good. Like, I hope it looks okay. I don't know. I have to like do something with my hair now. So I'm gonna go do something with my hair and come back and see if I look like Timothy anymore. Wish me luck. So this is the hair that I did. It's a mess, but I just like pinned a bunch of pieces because I didn't know what else to do. It's really not that accurate, but like I tried. I'm trying to make it look like, I still look so much like a woman. Like, I think this is it. I think this is the best it's going to get. Okay, guys. This is the best it's gonna get, I think. So I feel like I really did pretty well for how difficult this was. I'm just adding a couple little finishing touches. I also added a little bit of like 5 o'clock shadow, I think it's what it's called. I'm pretty proud of myself. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm gonna put him side by side. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I chiseled out my face a little bit more. I tried to make it a little bit more like his shape. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if someone wants to show this to Timothy, please feel free. I'm pretty proud of this, and I'm excited that I look like Timothée Chalamet. Love you, Timmy boy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was entertaining, and I am going to go finish filming my TikTok for this because I think this is hilarious. All right, guys, have a great day. I'm gonna go show my roommate my makeup. I'm waiting by the door.
I already started, but I didn't.